Lock in airport, ATIS information, Delta 1553 Zulu. Wind to 260 at 6, visibility 7 miles. Ceiling 1,700 overcast. Temperature 0, dew point -3. Altimeter 3014. Expect RNAV approach, landing, departing, runway 21 left. Hazardous weather information for Indiana, Kentucky, and Ohio is available on Highway.
Piedmont 6245, turn left heading 150.
Left heading 150, Piedmont 6245.
Alright, sounds like 2-1 left to work out for us. And the icing pie rep we just got from ATC is one that we gave leaving out of there, so I'm not surprised. Nice smooth day. We could, in fact, tune up this
Piedmont 6245,
vertical profile
from Bruni, turn left
for the initial approach mix.
Maintain 3000.
The way we do that is verify where we want to be, 2600.
Left heading 090, 3000 until established, clear ILS 6 left, Piedmont 6245.
And then come down here to VNAV profile, just tune this to what we want. It's 1000. And note with interest that each time you build a vertical profile, whether it's done for you automatically or whether you build one on the airport going direct, it's going to default to a flight path angle of 3 degrees. And so it's incumbent upon us to go in and change it to that which we want. And I always select 1000 because that optimizes the descent at a rate which doesn't tax the somewhat limiting VMO of 188 knots. The airplane will go down faster, of course, but to do so, you have to reduce the power
Gulfstream, November 237,
drastically,
Romeo 2.4, climbing 3000 runway heading.
which puts you in the unenviable position
departure radar contact, climb maintain 1010,000.
of leveling off
Light rhyme in the climb, tops around 8,500.
and bringing the power up
Thanks for the heads up,
abruptly without surging
Piedmont
the
6245,
engine.
contact Dane Tower 199.
Contact tower, Piedmont 6245.
Dick Rochfort, fly safely.
Mr. Preston, have 127 Bravo Zulu, 8,500.
Train off.
127 Bravo Zulu, Columbus approach, altimeter Dayton.